Hi, I'm Jason, and once again, welcome to Power Moments. Today we are going to talk to you about the golden rule. One day I asked someone, what is the golden rule? And they replied to me, he who has the gold makes the rules. Well, that is not the golden rule. The golden rule is found in Matthew chapter 7, verse 12. And Jesus is the one who spoke about the golden rule. He said, do to others what you would want them to do to you. If we obeyed this golden rule in our homes, in our offices, in our schools, in our country, in our neighborhood, then we would surely minimize crime, we would minimize wars, we would minimize conflict. If we would only obey the golden rule, we would have a harmonious society in the world today. In fact, if we obeyed the golden rule, we would never have World War I and II. In fact, Jesus wants us to take the golden rule to heart and make it a part of our culture and society today. The golden rule is all about being proactive rather than reactive. But I can assure you that most people today are most often found to be reactive than proactive. What do I mean? Well, often when people are kind to us, we reciprocate with kindness. If people are mean to us, we reciprocate with being mean also. If people insult us, we also often insult them back. That is most often reactive behavior. We react to someone's behavior and rather than being proactive in our behavior. We are often found to be very reactive people. We get angry when somebody is angry. We become happy when somebody is happy. We become kind to those who are kind to us. But here Jesus in the golden rule says, do to others what you would want them to do unto you. He does not say do to others what they do to you. He says do to others what you would want them to do unto you. He is talking about proactive behavior. Proactive behavior is exercising the behavior that you hope others will exercise back to you. So what Jesus is saying is that maybe hate, but you exercise love in the hope that the other will change and exercise love back to you. So there may be hate, somebody may hate you, but you love them in return with the hope that they will also love you back. Someone may insult you, but you praise them in the hope that they will change. They will change their life and hopefully they will return praise back to you. Jesus lived by the golden rule. While we were still sinners, He died for us. While we did not seek Him, He sought us out. He said, I came to seek and to save that which was lost. This can be your power moment today. As you choose to believe in the golden rule, as you choose to make it a part of your life, as you choose to make it your value, that even though people may do all kinds of wrong behavior to you, you may say, I will live by Jesus' golden rule. I am going to do to others what I would want them to do unto me. You can do it in your family, in your neighborhood, in your school, in your office, wherever you are. You can change society with the golden rule. This can be your power moment today as you choose to live by the golden rule. God bless you. Have a blessed day.